Hey tool enthusiasts, welcome back to DIY Tools and Equipment, your ultimate destination for discovering the coolest tools and expert reviews. Today, we're revealing 20 cool Amazon tools you never knew existed for your workshop. And trust me, these gadgets will totally change the way you tackle your projects. Whether you're hunting for unique workshop tools, clever Amazon finds, or game-changing gadgets that pro craftsmen swear by, you're in exactly the right place. We'll break down innovative power tools, smart workshop accessories, and mind-blowing Amazon discoveries you won't find at your local hardware store. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our Amazon tool reviews, workshop upgrades, and hands-on demos. Let's jump in and uncover the coolest workshop tools Amazon has been hiding from you. Securing workpieces firmly is essential for precision and safety in any project. The MAXPOWER Multifunctional F-Clamp is a 15 3/4 inch double-force bar clamp designed for welding, woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. With a maximum clamping force of 705 pounds, it ensures a strong hold to prevent vibration and slippage. The 15 3/4 inch opening capacity and 120 mm throat depth provide versatility for large materials. Its detachable sliding arms allow for multiple clamping methods, while the dual arms prevent tilting for added stability. Built with an oxidized black shaft for enhanced wear and spatter resistance, it features a quick-release ratcheting mechanism and a forged handle for increased efficiency. Perfect for precise cutting, sanding, and routing tasks. Achieving a flawless laminate floor requires accuracy when fitting the last row against uneven walls. The Wolfcraft Laminate Fitter is specially designed for precise measurement and transfer of the last row of laminate. It features a sliding wheel and spring-guided gliding elements for convenient adaptation to wall profiles, ensuring exact reproduction. With a measurement depth of up to 23.5 centimeters and an extra-wide bar for stable placement, it allows multiple dimension adjustments. The adjusting screw and O-ring hold the pen securely, making transfers simple. Automatic consideration of the expansion gap ensures proper spacing. Perfect for precise cutting, alignment, and installation, this tool guarantees professional quality laminate flooring results every time. Every project demands a reliable grip to hold materials firmly in place without slipping or damage. The Pony Jorgensen hand clamp delivers ultimate clamping convenience with its box joint design that prevents twisting and keeps jaws square and straight. Available in sizes from 1.5 inches to 4 inches jaw openings, it features a patented adjustment mechanism that lets you control clamping pressure easily without tools. Simply squeeze the ergonomic handles to tighten and press the lever to release. Soft pivoting jaw pads protect workpieces from scratches while offering strong, even pressure. Perfect for wood, metal, plastic, or fabric. This clamp ensures secure holding for woodworking, crafts, repairs, and professional workshop use. Precision fitting often requires transferring exact profiles onto materials for a perfect finish. The Trend EasyScribe scribing tool is an accurate scribing solution designed for carpenters, joiners, tilers, kitchen, and shop fitters. Built with an ultra-thin 0.5 mm guide plate, it easily slips into narrow gaps, ensuring stability and consistent contact with the surface. The adjustable offset allows one-handed height adjustment from 1 to 40 millimeters, with a thumb wheel fine adjustment for precise control. Equipped with spare graphite refills and a durable 40 mm rectangular graphite, it provides clean, sharp lines. Versatile and reliable, it's perfect for scribing doors, worktops, architraves, skirting, flooring, panels, window boards, and tiling, making every installation seamless. Sometimes drilling needs more precision, control, and stability than freehand work can offer. The Wolfcraft mobile drilling stand is built from sturdy die-cast aluminum for durability and accuracy. Featuring tiltable guide bars with scale, a flexible drilling angle, and an infinitely adjustable depth stop, it ensures precise drilling even in depth-restricted applications. An additional handle allows exact placement, while the integrated V-groove securely holds round workpieces. Perfect for straight drilling, centered drilling at front edges, or angled drilling, it makes even overhead or slanted drilling effortless. Ideal for walls, surfaces, furniture, and round objects, this stand turns freehand drilling into professional quality results with stability, control, and precision every time. Tough drilling jobs demand a bit that can cut cleanly, last longer, and power through obstacles with ease. The Greenlee Nail Eater is built for heavy-duty performance, featuring a self-feeding screw point that draws the bit smoothly through wood for effortless starts. Its PTFE coating resists heat and friction, ensuring fast, smooth operation without chip packing. A hollow center flute provides excellent chip evacuation for deeper holes in utility poles and logs, while the improved cutting edge delivers clean, precise results. Crafted from induction-hardened steel, it offers exceptional durability and long life. Perfect for professionals, this auger bit gets through tough materials and ensures reliable drilling performance every time. Creating strong, accurate joints is essential for quality woodworking projects. The old-school Mortise and Tenon jig delivers precision and consistency, making it ideal for cabinets, chairs, and table construction using a plunge router. This jig includes a complete kit, an assembly unit, a 1/4-inch router bit, bushing guides, a lock nut with a mounting adapter, self-adhesive sandpaper, and a 2.5mm hex wrench. It cuts mortises and tenons from 3/4 of an inch to 3 1/8 inches long, and widths of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch. In stock from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick. Designed for repeatability, it produces fully aligned joints that can be glued or locked into place, ensuring strong, reliable connections in every project. Sometimes your workpiece is just too large or awkward to bring to a standard drill press. The Milescraft DrillMate Pro drill press is a portable drilling solution that takes precision and performance to the next level. Built with a 1/2-inch chuck for larger and longer bits, hole saws, and spade bits, it ensures smooth operation with its dual ball bearing design. The extruded guide head with brass bushings keeps drilling accurate, while centering lines, alignment disc, and V-grooves make setup simple for flat or round stock. With an independent depth stop system, dual springs, and adjustable angles from 1 degree to 60 degrees, it provides stable, repeatable, and professional drilling for any project. Tough cutting jobs demand power, precision, and ease of control. The Yunirvana Reciprocating Saw is built for versatility with its 6.0 ampere variable speed motor, delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute for smooth, efficient cuts. Featuring a 4/5 inch stroke length and 4 1/2 inches maximum cutting depth, it tackles wood, metal, PVC pipe, plastic, pallets, cast iron, and logs effortlessly. The quick change chuck ensures tool-less blade swaps, while the adjustable shoe maximizes blade life. A lock-on button maintains speed without constant pressure, and the ergonomic silicone handle with soft grip provides comfort for both left and right-handed users. Perfect for wood burners, construction, and repair tasks, it enhances cutting efficiency every time. Every project needs reliable illumination and entertainment to keep work efficient and enjoyable. The Gardnerbender work light is a versatile portable Bluetooth speaker work light delivering 2,200 lumens at 20 watts with a 6,000 Kelvin natural daylight color temperature. Its 3 brightness settings are 100%, 50%, and 10%, allowing precise control over lighting, while dual 3-watt Bluetooth speakers let you stream music directly from your mobile device. The integrated USB accessory charger provides 4-hour charging, and the quick-release locking, rotating kickstand, and mounting bracket make positioning easy, with a battery life of 3 to 6 hours. This tool is perfect for commercial job sites or home projects, combining illumination, convenience, and entertainment in one compact package. Cutting wood efficiently and safely requires a reliable and powerful tool for both home and outdoor projects. The WORX Chainsaw is a 40-volt maximum lithium-ion, 12-inch cordless chainsaw designed for convenience and performance. It features an automatic tool-free chain tension system and automatic chain lubrication with an oil level indicator to ensure smooth, precise cuts. Its compact and lightweight design allows easy maneuverability, while the battery indicator provides quick insight into remaining power. With the same battery expandable power, this chainsaw integrates seamlessly with other WORX tools, making it versatile for various tasks. Ideal for pruning, cutting firewood, and general woodwork, it combines safety, efficiency, and adaptability in one compact device. Handling and moving logs efficiently requires a versatile and ergonomic tool to save time and reduce strain. The LogOX Forestry Multitool combines 3 essential firewood harvesting hand tools, log hauler, cant hook, and timberjack into one portable, all-in-one solution. Its ergonomic design with an easy grip hook and XL wooden cross handle significantly reduces back strain while lifting, dragging, or rolling logs. The 40-inch cant hook helps turn logs safely and prevent chainsaw bar pinch, while the 40-inch timberjack Bigfoot attachment provides a stable elevated cutting platform and efficient log skidding. Ideal for backyard firewood, portable sawmills, or woodlot work. It reduces heating costs and enhances safety and productivity in all forestry tasks. Achieving smooth, polished surfaces efficiently requires a high-performance and versatile sanding tool. The Yunirvana Orbital sander features a 2.5 ampere motor capable of 6,000 to 12,000 oscillations per minute, delivering powerful performance for wood, metal, and plastic, including paint and stain removal. Its 6-speed variable control allows precise adjustment for different sanding and polishing tasks. The sander comes with a 15-piece sanding disc set, accommodating various applications from rust removal to fine finishing. Efficient dust collection and an ergonomically designed handle with soft rubberized grip ensure comfort, control, and a cleaner workspace. Ideal for DIY, woodworking, and professional projects, it enhances efficiency, accuracy, and surface quality in all sanding and polishing operations. Precision woodworking requires a versatile and portable routing solution for accurate cuts and intricate designs. The Skil Tool Router Kit is a cordless 20-volt compact router featuring a powerful brushless motor delivering up to 1 horsepower. It includes a 4.0 ampere-hour battery with a 1-hour charger, spanner, edge guide, dust shroud, and a bonus 3-piece router bit set. The compact ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the quick depth adjustment dial, variable speed control, and soft start electronic system provide precise, safe, and controlled operation. With an LED light for visibility, this router kit is ideal for edge cutting, trimming, shaping, and intricate woodworking tasks with extended runtime and high efficiency. Achieving perfectly aligned drawer fronts requires a reliable tool for precision and efficiency. The POWERTEC drawer front installation clamps are cabinet installation clamps designed for adjustable drawer fixing and drawer face mounting, making woodworking assembly easy and fast. This 2-piece set ensures precise and accurate mounting alignment, securely holding panels in place for flawless installation or fine-tuning. Each clamp features locking nuts, micro-positioning bolts, and front and rear clamping bolts for a strong, secure hold. Built with durable, heavy-duty materials, these clamps withstand rigorous use. Ideal for frameless or face-frame drawers, they are perfect for kitchen cabinets, workshops, vanities, furniture, and can even clamp drawers when closed. Achieving fast, precise, and secure clamping in woodworking demands a reliable and versatile tool. The Microjig Matchfit Ratchet Clamp AP delivers unmatched precision with its anti-pivot spring technology, keeping the clamp arm firmly in place and eliminating unintentional movement. Fully track saw and dovetail track compatible. It works with standard 12 by 8 mm slots from brands like Festool, Makita, Triton, and Craig, and 14-degree by 1/2-inch dovetail tracks. Its instant adjustability via the quick-release trigger saves setup time, while the ratchet mechanism ensures a secure hold during sanding, routing, or grinding. With a 7-inch clamp capacity and 2.5 inches throat depth, it accommodates various workpieces, and the DIY dovetail track feature allows custom workspace setups. Precision and secure holding are essential for any woodworking project to ensure accurate assembly and consistent results. The WORKPRO Bar Clamp is a one-handed clamp spreader designed for versatility in woodworking. This light-duty wood clamp set includes 4 packs of 6-inch F-clamps with a maximum opening of 11 1/4 inches and a 2 1/2 inch opening 3/8 inch throat depth, providing a reliable 150 pounds clamping force. Its quick change feature allows easy conversion to a spreader, while the quick release trigger enables fast adjustments or removal with one hand. Built with a reinforced nylon body and hardened steel bars, these clamps offer durability and impact resistance, making them ideal for home DIY projects, professional woodworking, or construction site tasks. Achieving precise controlled cuts is essential for any serious woodworking project. The POWERTEC Router Table Deluxe system is a comprehensive router tabletop measuring 24 inches long and 3 3/8 inches tall, designed for stability and precision in routing tasks. Its premium build quality features a heavy-duty anodized aluminum fence with corrosion resistance and universal T-slots. The system includes essential accessories such as an adjustable bit guard, featherboard, reversible flip stop, and a 2.5-inch dust port for efficient dust collection. With precision adjustment, a built-in measuring scale, and smooth MDF fence faces coated with shatter-resistant melamine, this Deluxe system ensures accuracy, control, and durability for all types of woodworking projects. Achieving smooth, precise edges on wood surfaces is crucial for professional-looking results. The Kimgsoak Edge Banding Trimmer is a veneer edge band trimmer tool designed to cut PVC, ABS, melamine, veneer, and other edge banding materials cleanly and efficiently. Its high-density aluminum alloy body with wear-resistant coating ensures durability, while the high-hardness HSS blade is sharpenable, replaceable, and adjustable for long-term use. Equipped with a thickened rubber base pad, the tool protects the board surface, prevents slipping, and avoids unwanted cuts. Producing long, smooth shavings with minimal sanding required, the Kimgsoak trimmer provides flexible, accurate trimming, making it an essential tool for all woodworking edge finishing tasks. Accurate marking and measuring are essential for precise woodworking projects. The Nicpro Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler is an adjustable aluminum alloy sliding T-square ruler with a carpenter pencil and angle adjustment scale, designed for precision line drawing. Combining a 0 to 18-inch ruler and a 0 to 180 degrees protractor, it is ideal for woodworking joints, bevel cuts, and radial line drawing. Laser-engraved scales resist scratches and fading, ensuring long-lasting visibility. Built from premium aluminum alloy, it is durable, wear, and corrosion resistant. Quick adjustments with ABS knobs allow fast angle and length changes, making it a multifunctional, all-in-one tool for accurate marking, measuring, and line drawing on wood, metal, and concrete. That's a wrap on 20 cool Amazon tools you never knew existed for your workshop. Which Amazon gadget or workshop tool are you most excited to try out? Did you spot something that's going straight onto your wish list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found a must-have Amazon tool today, smash that like button and subscribe for more Amazon tool reviews, workshop hacks, and genius finds you won't see anywhere else. Stay tuned for more hands-on tests and amazing Amazon discoveries coming soon.